Here are 7 tips to maximize your recovery in a motorcycle accident. Number 1, take names and take photos. Witnesses will become extremely important when people get in court and start telling different versions of what happened in the collision. Everybody on the scene the first day remembers things well, but if you don't take their name and their contact information, you won't be able to use them. In addition to that, photographs don't lie. Take photographs of cars, take photographs of your bike, take photographs of your injuries, take photographs of the scene. The more photographs you have, the better. Number 2, talk to your doctor. I know it's easy to be the tough guy and say, I'm okay. But if you don't tell your doctor everything that's going on with you so they can run the proper tests, give the proper diagnosis, and properly document their medical record, when it's time to settle your case, the insurance company will quite frankly act like it never happened. Be open and honest with your doctor. Number 3, follow the doctor's advice. If the doctor prescribes PT, even if you feel better, you need to complete all the PT. If you don't and you regress, then the insurance company is going to say, you can't really be hurting that bad because you didn't do what the doctor said. If their follow-up appointments make them, the doctors have medical degrees. They know what's best for you. Follow their advice. Number 4, maximize what you keep. As a young man, my father always told me it's not just what you make, it's what you keep. In terms of a motorcycle accident, that involves medical bills. Once your case is settled, you need to negotiate with your medical providers so that you can maximize how much money you put in your pocket and not increase how much money you put in theirs. Number 5, you're going to need to hire proper experts. In many accident cases involving significant damages, economists, life care planners, and physicians will all be needed to testify or provide written information to get a proper settlement. If you're going to have problems in the future, the doctor needs to diagnose what your future problems will be. A life care planner will place a price on the type of procedures or treatments that you'll need in the future, and an economist will then bring that to present day value. You may have future lost wages because you can't work at all or work the same. In those cases, you'll need an economist to say, what is your loss going forward and what is the value of that so you can make the claim to the insurance company. Many times in an accident case involving a motorcycle, there's a huge discrepancy in how fast the motorcycle was going and whose fault is it. So we often use accident reconstructionists who can take information from the scene, calculate the speeds, directions, and velocities of the vehicles so that you're not taken advantage of because someone lies about the speed that you were going. Number 6, avoid gaps in treatment. Most of us want to hope for the best and think we're okay. But if you're hurting and you need medical care, you need to go get it. If you don't and time passes, the insurance company will deem that a gap in treatment and will either reduce your total settlement and maybe discount those medicals altogether. If you think you need medical treatment, you need to go get it. Number 7, you need to hire a lawyer. Whether you hire me or another lawyer if you're choosing, hiring a lawyer increases the value of your case tremendously. The National Insurance Council did a study and found that people that hire a lawyer get on average 2.5 times more than people that don't. Lawyers will know what the legal standards are, they'll know when you need experts and how to hire them, and they'll know what needs to be said and what needs to be done with dealing with the insurance company. If you're seriously injured, please get a lawyer.